welcome back to my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. Today I am making butter pecan ice cream. It's going to be mostly dairy free, but there is butter. A lot of people who can't do dairy are okay with butter. I don't eat it very often, so I'm still using my coconut cream, but I'm also using some butter. Before I do that, just a reminder, my book, Precision PSMF Cookbook, is now available on Amazon. It's been a long time waiting for this. I know a lot of people have been asking for it. So it's now available, but no, this ice cream recipe would not be okay on PSMF days. So what we're going to start off doing is, I've got 13 grams of butter here that I'm going to put in this pan. And I have 60 grams of pecans, and I'm going to add a little salt to that because salt and pecans and ice cream are going to go very well. So I'm going to take this to the stove and we're going to cook the pecans for a while. So let's go to the stove. We're going to add the salt, and I'm just doing a small amount of salt, maybe a quarter of a teaspoon, maybe even that, I don't know. But we're going to add a little salt once this is melted. I do have salted butter as well, but I like the little extra salt for the salt and the sweet for the ice cream will be so good. Then we're going to add the pecans, and we're going to make sure all the pecans are coated in the butter. What you could do at this point, if you didn't want to sit here roasting the pecans, you could put it in the oven and roast the pecans that way. I just want to do it here on the stove because they don't really have to be. Sometimes I put them in the oven and they just get overcooked. So we're just gonna do this, and they're fine if you'd rather just put them in raw. You could do that as well, especially if you have already salted pecans. If you don't have raw pecans and you buy them already roasted and salted, then you just can chop them up. We don't want them to get too caramelized, so I'm going to call this good. So I'm going to turn this off. I will be adding 6 egg yolks, and I separated these egg yolks this morning. I have 55 grams or 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Wouldn't be butter pecan without butter. I have 45 grams of xylitol. Now the only sweeteners I think that work well with ice cream are allulose and xylitol. I cannot tolerate allulose, so I use xylitol. Yes, I'm very careful around my cats. Then you want, since I'm only using 45 grams of xylitol, I'm going to squirt some vanilla stevia in there, not too much. Just a squirt. You could use more xylitol or allulose. And then a teaspoon of vanilla. I make my own vanilla. This has been sitting for a couple of years now. So a teaspoon of vanilla. And I put some of the vanilla in vodka, some in bourbon, so I don't know which one that is. And then I have a can of coconut milk. I normally use Thai Kitchen, but recently we've been going to a Trader Joe's that recently opened up here in North Carolina. It's an hour away, but oh, that's coconut milk. I have to go get the coconut cream. Well, this is the Trader Joe's coconut cream. I'm trying not to get the glare, and they're flip tops, which are nice. Ooh, all over everywhere. So now I'm going to blend this up in my Vitamix, and I'm going to blend it really well, and then we'll be back to actually make the ice cream. So you can hear my ice cream maker churning. The ice cream is getting ready, getting nice and fluffy. That's what an ice cream maker does. It adds air. Now my pecans, so they're cooled enough. I'm just going to put them on this chopping board, and we're going to chop them into smaller pieces to put in the ice cream. And when the ice cream is almost done, or pretty much done, we'll just add the chopped pecans so they get incorporated in the ice cream. You don't want to add them until the end. You want to wait for the ice cream to be pretty much complete. And everybody's ice cream maker takes a different amount of time. Normally what I do is when I see there are no more big lumps in the ice cream, it's done. When it's nice and smooth, then I call that done. So here are the chopped nuts that we're going to add. So here's the ice cream, and here's my container. The container is Tevelo. I also have some that are Sumo, and I'll have links to them. And yes, I put on mine what they are. This is butter pecan because sometimes I could have up to 4 different kinds of ice cream in the freezer. So, oh, this looks so good. For me, it's just the right amount of pecans. I don't like a lot. I like to taste the ice cream. Oh, that looks good. I'm guessing we'll probably have some for dinner tonight. Well, not for dinner, but for dessert. Butter pecan ice cream. Oh. Oh, I cannot wait till dessert tonight. This is amazing. You really have to try this.